Alright guys, so now we're just going to kind of go over how to connect your phone. It is wireless CarPlay for Androids and Apples as well. So first thing you're going to do is need your phone and obviously the car. We're going to go to phone here. Now it's going to ask if you want to connect a device. You're going to say yes here. You're also going to go into your phone. You're going to go into your Bluetooth settings, turn your Bluetooth on, and if you scroll all the way down, it's going to say Outback. We're going to click on that guy. Make sure the pins are matching. They are this time. We're going to allow our contacts to sync there as well. Now we're going to connect our CarPlay through the phone. Hit yes here. Now we're going to set it as a favorite, meaning anytime I get in the car, it's going to automatically connect, and you only have to do this one time. Now here you can see we're connecting to the phone settings. And now here we're in CarPlay, so you can use your maps, your music, or your phone.